Hello. I am Max Mustermann, CIO of a mid-size manufacturing SAP user company. Over the years, our company has grown. We now have operations in multiple countries. Today, we have new challenges to manage this growth. My challenges today: 1. Increasing business demands. 2. IT cost reduction. 3. Global SAP rollouts. 4. How to ensure stable and flexible SAP support. 5. Limited internal team. 6. Unable to focus on strategic projects. And 7. How to make my organization future ready. How do I manage these challenges and who can help us?
Good morning, Mr. Mustermann. Thank you for your interest in our SAP and IT services.
We have never dealt with any offshore partner. I am sure that there are many options for outsourcing or offshore outsourcing. However, we are not sure how exactly we can benefit from this.
Basically, what any mid-sized company needs is a dedicated partner.
What about language, distance, time zone and cultural issues?
We have a proven track record of successful long-term engagements with various German companies. Our experienced team is already supporting various German, European companies and projects and global operational SAP support requirements. As and when required, our consultants also travel to customer locations for closer interaction with the stakeholders. Our team operates 24/7 in close coordination with your team in a partnership model. We offer a dedicated offshore competency center which acts as your extended team. A dedicated client manager ensures that all your requirements are addressed in a prioritized and professional manner. Our intention is not to replace your team. In fact, we enable your team to focus more on strategic projects while we manage the day-to-day operational support.
But how does a transition like this work?
In order to become your extended team in India, we have a proven roadmap comprising of following milestones. 1. Engagement. Establish partnership. Complete NDA formalities. Establish teams and connectivity. Define basic scope of work. 2. Understand your processes, your systems, your standards, your environment. 3. Deployment. Process workshops. Partnership model. Day-to-day support transition. 4. Continuous improvement. Improve user acceptance. Deploy new functionalities. Global best practices rollout.
Sounds very interesting. Which are the typical SAP services in your portfolio?
We can assist you in global SAP rollout projects, techno-functional SAP help desk, if required 24/7, offshore ABAP development, SAP system administration and monitoring, SharePoint developments.
Great. That is what we need. How do we start?
Excellent. We look forward to be your extended team in India. Automatic will be your reliable partner by providing scalable and flexible team, substantial cost reduction, transparent billing model, vast experience in global rollout projects from USA to Australia, dedicated or shared resource pool with 24/7 availability, 250 plus experienced resources in India. You can focus on strategic project while we take ownership of operational support. Together, we can prepare your SAP ecosystem for the future.